My older brother owns this 2008 model Hyundai Elantra. The end of last year, I made a video where I fixed the steering column coupler that is a common recall item of this car, and I did not realize that it actually had an official recall on it at the time, and I'm a little embarrassed, and that's why I didn't post the video. The reason this is a problem is because when this part fails, you start get this clicking in the steering wheel, and then eventually when you're going down the highway, the steering wheel wants to fight you as you're trying to maintain center. He didn't fall under that recall anyway because it is a either situation. It has to be under 10 years old, which it still is, but it has to be under 100,000 miles or else you can't. So I ended up fixing it. Almost every single Hyundai of this era has this exact problem, and you have to take the whole steering column out to fix it. So here I am after never doing this before. It took me about 45 minutes just to get to this piece here. Once you pop the cover off, you get this little shredded little thing. So now I gotta pull that out. You know, at first I didn't think it was that bad until I actually pulled out the piece that I was supposed to pull out. And this is what it's supposed to look like. And I don't know how this is not a recall, because it only is a little rubber piece, and this costs like $2. But in order to do it, you got to do all this. Now, after plugging everything in and struggling with the steering column bolt for like half an hour, it doesn't click. I think we're good.